Welcome back to Paradise Township Telephone. This is the video of the Powerboard with the covers off. This time we'll start at the bottom and work up. There's the RG525 ringing generator again. Here's the control relays for that transistorized tone generator. That right there comprises the transfer relays. Remember, there are some fuses and indicators on that panel. This panel right here is our circuit plate actually. This is the front side of the tone generator unit. There's two circuits here. All these coils and capacitors in conjunction with the tubes on the back is what generates the tone. There's some relays over here. The SN relay and the TR, that's the transfer between the two generators. And BT1, BT2, those are the relays that break the busy tone, the fast and slow busy tone. You come up to the next circuit plate, DC interrupter. You come up one more, an identical copy, AC interrupter. Here's the transfer relays. You know there's some pretty large number of contacts there to affect the transfer between the two interrupters. There's also some circuitry here that detects when the interrupters have stopped. I'll demonstrate that a little bit later. And here's the, of course, the main distribution panel. And at the very top, this is the common SR circuit. You notice there's charger relay, heat coil relay, that's for the heat coils in the mainframe, alarm relay, check relay for when you dial in to see what the relay or what the alarm's all about, low voltage relay, which senses the low voltage in the plant to turn in a low voltage relay, emergency and non-emergency relays, and just some other miscellaneous relays. I don't recall exactly what before. The start ST relay is what starts the interrupters operating. We'll come down here. We'll talk about the monitor lamps. If you turn the monitor lamps on in the office, you hear that click behind me. That turns on the monitor lamps on each and every circuit plate in the office, so as a call goes through you can see which circuits are busy. I've wired a light up here to remind me not to leave this on. I've dummied this so the interrupter doesn't start, but normally when you turn on the monitor lamps, the interrupter will start. So let's just manually start interrupter 1. That's the AC machine. You'll notice the first cam is for fast busy tone, or the cadence is fast busy tone. Second one is TPS generator 1, slow busy tone. There's another fast busy tone. This one's marked, I believe, 60 IPM, which is the cadence of slow busy tone. I'm not going to go through all these, but just bear in mind there are 5 generators in this office, and there are 5 cams for each, or a cam for each generator, so there's 5, and then there's 5 more cams for the marking leads. Over here on the end is the slow speed section. By virtue of those gears, this is hardly perceptible that these are moving, but this is the timing cams. So when the last call drops in the office, this interrupter will continue to run until the timing runs out. Also, permanent timing is handled by those cams. So, excuse me. Let's turn on the second interrupter. And that's a DC operated machine. It's a standby machine, and it's just a carbon copy of the first one. I'm going to turn those off. And I'm going to take an alligator clip lead and grab battery off of a fuse, and I'm going to simulate an alarm by turning in a fuse alarm. You notice this button here, alarm trans, audible cutoff, and it also has a middle position. So when it's in the alarm trans position, the alarms go out to the switchboard, to the operator. So now we've turned in an alarm. If you notice there's no lights lit, we don't know what it is. If I ran out to the switchboard, you'd see a signal standing, and you could dial into this office and find out what the class of that alarm was, emergency or non-emergency. If you throw this to the center, you get the buzzer. When you throw it to alarm cutoff, you silence the buzzer, and you can see that says fuse. So, if this alarm clears now, that'll all stop. Alright, I'm going to put that back to where the alarms go out to the switchboard, or the toll center. I'm going to take a phone off the hook here to start the Powerboard. So we've got dial tone on that instrument now, and the power board is generating all the pulses and tones that are needed to run the office. Now I'll show you what happens. We'll come back here to the back. We'll unplug that machine. You heard the, I hope you heard the transfer relays pull in. And since we're AC power's off, that interrupter stopped. We'll get rid of this alarm here. You notice our alarm is interrupter transfer. The DC machine took over. So now if we restore the power, restore the AC power, the AC machine comes back on, and everything's back to normal. So that's the covers off view of the power board. A pretty simple device actually, but it was the heart of the supervision and monitoring of the office, and it also has the function of sending alarms out to the toll center that served this office, which would come in as a standing signal on the switchboard. The operator would have to figure out what to do with it and who to send out to the office. I'll probably show you that here in a later video as well. Thanks for watching.